Hey folks, well, we got a new tool in the garage today, or should we say accessory. It's a snuff cup. For the longest time, I've been using this cup here. You can see it's all stained up. I replace them out probably every couple weeks. Well, that cup there goes in the garbage. There's the new one. As I'm working on the car, I grab it, spit my dip in it, and get back to work. Ain't no dip going on the garage floor. Ain't none going in the garbage can loose. Ain't no ugly cups next to my desk. There you go. The snuff cup. I'm going to be doing some mods to these. And at least to this one for my garage. And I'll be tagging the snuff cup in the mods. Just little things that I think would make better for the working man. That way we can have it on us all times. We ain't got to worry about spitting our dip on the floors or whatnot. Or water bottles or whatever people do. I tried not to ever spit my dip on the floor. I can't stand it. But I don't even like spitting on the ground. In this case, when I get done with the mods, I can carry that snuff cup with me anywhere as I go. Spit my dip in it and keep going. Later, folks.